In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a small business owner, just trying to keep your books straight, managing duplicate transactions can be a bit tricky. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's begin by logging in. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. This will take you to a page where you can sign in to QuickBooks Online. Choose QuickBooks Online from the list of options. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password, then click on Continue to access your QuickBooks account. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to managing those duplicate transactions. You'll want to head over to the banking section within QuickBooks, click on Bank Transactions, which you can find by going to the banking menu. This area contains all the recorded transactions from your linked bank accounts. It's your hub for reviewing and managing all this information. Within the banking section, you'll notice different tabs, and the one we need is labeled Excluded. Click on the Excluded tab. This is where QuickBooks stores any transactions you've marked as duplicates or entries you've decided not to include in your accounts. It's basically a holding area where you can sort out what you need or don't need. Once you are in the Excluded tab, it's time to take a closer look at those duplicate transactions. You'll see a list with checkboxes next to each transaction. Scroll through the list to locate the transaction you believe to be a duplicate. To manage or get rid of a duplicate entry, check the box next to the transaction you want to handle. Checking the box selects the transaction, indicating that you're ready to take an action on it. After selecting the duplicate transaction, look for the Delete option. Clicking Delete will permanently remove the selected transactions from the Excluded tab, cleaning up your records. Remember, once you delete a transaction, it's gone for good from this list, so make sure you're only deleting those you're confident are duplicates. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully managed and deleted duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online. This process helps ensure your financial records are accurate and free from errors caused by duplicates. Keeping your accounts in check is crucial for maintaining a clear financial picture of your business. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your books.